Hi there, my name is Mary Maple, and I am really excited to welcome you to our Gather Around the Holidays Pampered Chef's party season. And I have some great things to show you in terms of preparing your holiday meals and also gift ideas that you can share with your loved ones over the holidays. What I'd like to start with is showing you a new piece of our enameled cast iron, which is our big roasting pan. Now this thing is really heavy, but it has all the qualities of cast iron. It has that heat, even distribution, but it's enamel coated so that you have none of the upkeep and care that cast iron requires. It comes with a lift out rack so that you can cook your turkey, you can cook chicken, your hams, your roasts, and it will lift out really easily. And because that rack is raised, all the fats and juices will drip down to the bottom without being soaked into the piece of protein that you're cooking. But this pan isn't just for your 15-pound turkey, it's also great for lasagna. And because of its extra depth, I really like that you can add an extra layer of noodles and cheese and all of that stuff and make it really super yummy and gooey. It's great for your scalloped potatoes and other casseroles. It's a beautiful piece. The other holiday piece that we've come out with is our baster. Now, every home needs a baster, but this one is really unique. When you take the bulb off the end, you will see that this baster comes with a cleaning brush. And like, how smart is that? Because when you baste and you're squeezing up all those juices and fats and stuff, it's hard to clean the baster. But Pampered Chef thinks of everything, and they've got this little brush, and you're going to be able to clean that baster without any problem. The other thing that's really cool about this baster is that normally a baster bulb is equally round on all sides, but ours has this flat edge so that when you set it down, it's not going to roll around on you. It just stays put. So that is super cool. One of our other holiday products that have come out this fall but will be handy in the holidays is our new kitchen timer. And I'm really excited about this because how often do you have different things going in your oven or on the stove top that you have to keep track of for time, but they each require a little bit different? Well, this will allow you to keep track of 4 different times. And so that is super handy. And you can have a magnet to stick it onto your refrigerator, or it has a clamp that will allow you to clamp it to your pant waistband and just move around your business until the timer goes to attend to whatever you need to attend to. This is our new sauce whisk. And what I really love about this is look at the way the handle is angled. It's not just stirring from the top, but you're able to get into every corner of your pan. And because it's got this silicone wire wrapped around the base, it doesn't scratch the surface. You don't have to be worried about your nonstick surfaces getting scratched up. This sauce whisk is awesome for anything that you need to stir together. And our last new piece that came out this fall that I want to show you that's perfect for the holidays is our new carving set. Pampered Chef is known for their really wonderful knife collection, whether it be our coated knife collection or our fully forged German steel collection. They are both really great, but this carving set comes in a wooden box, and it really is a lifetime heritage piece for you to give to someone special on your list. Think of the newlyweds. It's a great wedding gift, Christmas gift. It has this beautiful lifetime warranted carving knife. It's got such great balance because the tang goes all the way through so that it's evenly weighted, and it has this 2-prong fork to hold the meat in place. And because it comes in this box, it'll stay protected forever. And who wouldn't love to find this under the tree as they start their own holiday traditions? So these are some gift ideas. Throughout the week, I'm going to be sharing more with you, and I'm really excited that the holidays upon us so we can collectively share our ideas with one another.